Are you a lemon lover or any snack that has the flavor of lemon? Then you need to stick to this video because I'm here to make your weekend a memorable one. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. Start by sifting all-purpose flour in a bowl. Always sift the flour before making use of it. Alright, to that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and half tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, now I'm going to sift that in. Once that is done, it is time to mix. I'm going to mix till they are well combined. Once that is done, it is time to move in with milk powder. Now I'm going to mix again. Then it is time to introduce the man of the day, that is fresh lemon. The lemon is going to be the only flavor that will be added to this recipe. All right. Now, to get all the flavors from the lemon, first I start by taking the zest. Be sure to wash the lemon thoroughly before making use of it. All right. Okay, once I'm done taking the zest, I'm going to cut the lemon into 2 equal parts. Then I will take the juice. All right. Once I squeeze in the juice from the lemon, it is time to move in with 2 tablespoons of oil. You can substitute the oil with either margarine or butter using the same measurement. Once that is done, move in with my fingers and start mixing till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, it is time to move in with sugar. I am using sugar powder. You can use the normal sugar. Alright, add the sugar, mix to combine very well. It is time to move in with water. First, I started with half cup of water. Mix, then I noticed that the water wasn't enough. I'm going to add extra half cup of water, making it 1 cup of water. All right, add to yours if necessary, depending on the type of flour that you are using. Okay, continue mixing. Now I'm going to transfer to the work surface so that I will have enough space to mix very well. Continue mixing and kneading till you form a very smooth dough, just like this one. You will notice that the dough is not sticky. All right, that is exactly how yours should be. It is smelling so good already. You know the flavor from lemon. Now I divide the dough into 2 equal parts. I'm going to set one aside. Dust the work surface with some flour. Place the dough. I'm going to arrange in a way that it will be easier for me to roll. Moving with the rolling pin and start rolling to flatten the dough. A beautiful shout out to you, Angel, watching from Enugu, Nigeria. Elizabeth from Cairo. Marcos, watching from Kenya. And Abiola, all the way from Nigeria. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Alright, I continue to roll till I come to a very smooth flat dough just like this one. It is time to cut. We'll be making use of 2 different kinds of mold. You can either use a round mold or a square shape mold. Start cutting with the mold as demonstrated. It is very simple and easy. You can use either of them. I'm just demonstrating to show you that you can use either of them. You mustn't use the 2, all right? Once I'm done cutting, take out the excess one, and there we are. Come closer, cameraman. It is time to give it another shape. Now, first, you are going to fold into 2 equal parts. You can see the thickness of the dough is not that thin, all right? Once you fold into 2 equal parts, fold again. Are you with me? Say, I am here with you at the comment section. We'll take that one more time. Fold into 2 equal parts. Please make sure that they kiss very well. These are husband and wife. They need to kiss very well, okay? They need to remain together. All right, repeat the same process with the other ones. You should have these boys looking at you here. These boys are from Kenya. Kenya's in the building. Make some noise. You can air fry at this moment or you can bake, but I'm going to fry. I prefer the frying method. Gently add these boys into a hot, moderate oil. Once you add them, allow the boys to behave the way they want. Don't touch them. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After cooking for about 2 minutes, I am going to stir for the first time, all right? After about another 2 minutes, I am going to stir again. You are going to fry this into a very golden brown. If you don't fry into a golden brown, they will not be crunchy. Once they are ready, take it off the heat, put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this recipe. Very simple and easy. Now look at the two shapes that we have here. One was obedient and the other one they have already separated. You can imagine that. Now you are going to transfer into an open tray and allow to cool down completely. Emphasis on completely. Do you enjoy this video? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. I love it. It tastes so good. The flavor from the lemon. Oh my word. Now look at the texture. You can see that it is super crunchy, very crunchy. If you store this properly, it will last you up to a month. I guarantee you that. Okay, now let me show you how to store properly. Let's assume that you pack them in one container. Now, after every 1 hour or 30 minutes, you will come and open the container and take some pieces. You are getting it all wrong. You are inviting air to come. I don't buy this idea. It is totally wrong. With this idea, it will not last longer. All right. To make it last longer, you need to portion them differently. All right. Once you have taken, you have taken. You don't need to open the other ones. Okay. With this method, it will last you up to a month. I guarantee you that. I hope you find this video helpful. Have a lovely weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.